Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can play the ball game in Grow a Garden. So basically, it's going to point the arrow to where you need a score. And basically, when you win, I guess you win a cosmetic. I'm still not sure what cosmetic you win, but basically, oh my gosh, this is a little bit difficult to play, if I'm being honest. But you're just going to put it in the goal, and I don't know what cosmetic you get because I didn't get it somehow. But you're just going to go put it in this goal where the arrow points. You'll be separated in teams, so it's better if there's like 2 versus 2. My brother is letting me win because I need this for the tutorial, I guess. But basically there's a goal here, and on the other side it's a little bit hard to control, if I'm being honest. That's very hard to control. I don't understand, bro. And you'll get like 110 seconds to complete it. Come on, goal. Yay, game over. Oh, I have received a football goal. Okay. So the cosmetic you get is a football goal, which I honestly don't need this, but that's how you can get it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.